guys, it's your girl Damo, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing. This time we have the Nike Waffle Ones, and I have them in a size 7.5, and women's retail was $100. I actually paid $55, which makes these a super steal. So I always wanted to try this silhouette, but I never wanted to pay the regular retail price. So when I saw that they were on sale on Nike, I decided, why not? Let's go grab a pair. So the colorway that I picked up was the Summit white and black with rattan vault on them. They're very bright, and I picked this colorway up because the summertime is coming shortly. It's right around the corner, so why not add to my bright sneaker collection? So here we go. But I think, or I thought, that this pair would be a good pair to, you know, keep on all day because it's not much to the uppers, and it didn't seem like a heavy shoe in my opinion. But once I got them in my hand, I was like, these are kind of heavy, even though the uppers are, you know, a little bit less than what we're used to on a sneaker. So as you can see, like, the tongue, it definitely reminds me of the Nike React Element 87. The tongue is like a flap, which is kind of different. And also the toe box, it's very like non-existent. It's not full leather, like it's like a mesh that has like a covering underneath it, and as you can see, it's very bendable. So I think that's pretty cool. And also the sides are that same mesh, which you can see kind of right through them. The back, I love the sole. The sole is very thick and kind of chunky.
I ain't gonna say that we back or nothing, cause that implies that we're back from something. If we're back from something, it's some checks you owe us. I expect that payment, nothing less or over. I don't need them favors that you asked me for. I could give two fucks about where the Grammys go. I just gave out Grammys on my Instagram. Them OVO boys, the business, man. It is what it is.
So I decided to try the sneakers on for you guys, and boy, oh boy. First of all, if you have wide feet, I would clearly steer clear of this silhouette because I don't think it's wide foot friendly. Like, I have narrow feet, and even me trying these on, they were kind of tight across the toe box. And also, I would more than likely wear these sneakers with a lighter sock. Like, I have on the thick Nike socks, and I think that's what made them even tighter across my foot. So just keep that in mind. If you have wide feet, I wouldn't do it. And also the type of socks that you wear with these definitely matter. But they're so pretty on foot. They're so beautiful. Like, the silhouette looks nice. Everything about the sneaker looks very appealing to the eye. Just the fit, it's not giving what I thought it would have gave. I thought these would fit like along the lines of Air Maxes or something like that, but they don't. Like, they're kind of tight. And I think even if you get them a half size bigger, I think it wouldn't even make a difference, honestly. They're just a tight sneaker. So just keep that in mind if you want to buy them. I'll link them down below for anyone who's interested in purchasing a pair, so you guys can catch them while they're on sale. But like I said, these are a very pretty looking colorway. Like, I like the style of the sneaker, but the fit of the sneaker is really not my cup of tea. So, you know, just keep that in mind, you guys, if you're gonna purchase them. But thank you guys for joining me in my unboxing video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So as always, peace out.